Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you a couple of different ways how to log out of Suno AI. One is by using the application and one is by using the web browser. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so let's start with the application. So go ahead and open up Suno AI app on your device. From here, we need to click onto our profile. So it's the bottom right hand corner of the page. You can see I'm logged in. Now to log out, click onto the gear icon, top right hand corner of the page here. And then under settings, we've got a log out button. So go ahead and click on log out, and that's going to take you back to the main login page of Suno AI application. Now let's try the web browser. So open up a web browser and go to suno.com. All right, so we are here. I'm on the home page. From here, click on the top right hand corner of the page for your profile. And then we need to, under that, you'll see your account name and email address, and then under that it's going to have a sign out button. So go ahead and click on sign out, and that's going to successfully sign you out, and it's going to take you back to the home page, and you should see a sign in button on the top right hand corner indicating that you have signed out.